Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear friends? I hope you will be fine. Am I right, my dear friends? Okay. What is this? This is a dangerous animal. What's its name? It's a snake. And the voice of snake is what? Yes. Today we will learn a new letter which sound is Students, this letter name is S and its sound is This letter is S, it's capital S and this is small s. Its sound is Understand? So this is a snake and snake begins with phonic snake. Snake. I have more friends. Do you want to see? What is this? Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. Friends, my dear friends, what is this? This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberry begins with phonic strawberry. Strawberry. Okay, next friend is sun. This is sun. Sun begins with phonic sun. Sun. Okay, I have more friends. What is this? This is sofa. Sofa begins with phonic sofa. Sofa. What is this? These are socks. What are these? These are socks. Socks begins with phonic socks. Socks. Okay. I have one more interesting thing. This is also a shoes, but it has small wheels under it and it's called skates. It's called skates. 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 Okay, look at this. What is it? It is a sandwich. It is a sandwich. Sandwich begins with phonic S. Sandwich. Sandwich. What is this? This is winter season. And everywhere is snow. On the tree, on the ground, on the houses. What is happening there? Snow falling. What is happening there? Snow falling. Snow begins with phonic snow. 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 What is this? This is snowman. Snowman begins with phonic snowman. Snowman. Okay, friends, what is this? This is a beautiful scenery and this part is called sky. What? Sky. Sky begins with phonic sky. Sky. Okay, look at this picture. Who is he? He is a soldier. Soldier protects the boundary of the country. Soldier begins with phonic soldier. Soldier. Look at this picture. What is it? It is a saw. It is a saw. Saw begins with phonic s. Saw. Saw. We cut the wood with saw. Look at this. This is a small insect which is called snail. Snail. We found it on the plants. What is this, students? This is spinach. Spinach. Spinach begins with phonic s. Spinach. Spinach. Okay. Look at this. Who is he? Do you know? He is a scientist. He is a scientist. Scientists do experiments in the laboratory. So, scientist begins with phonic s. Scientist. Scientist. Do you know we have 7 days of week and 2 days of week are begin with phonic s. Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday. Okay, I have some students like you. These all are students. Students begin with phonic s. Students. Students. I want to show some games or some swings. Do you want to see what they are doing? The girl is skipping. The girl is skipping. 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 Okay. There are some swings. This is seesaw. This is seesaw and this is swings. This is seesaw and these are swings. These begins with phonic s. Seesaw, swings. What is this? This is a slide. This is a slide. Slide begins with phonic s. Slide begins with phonic s. Okay. I have one more thing. What is this, my dear friends? This is scissors. Scissors begins with phonic scissors. Scissors. Okay, look at this. This is a bowl of soup. What is in this bowl? Soup. Soup begins with phonic s. S. Okay, friends, do you like this? Have you learned all the friends of a letter S, which phonic is s? Okay, please find some more examples around your surroundings. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos also. Okay, Allah Hafiz. We will see the next time.